In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a travel poster. So from the home page, you can scroll along and locate the poster, or you can go into the search bar, type poster, and choose whether you want a portrait or a landscape poster. Scroll down and you'll find some templates, but I'd suggest going into a blank poster, because there you can locate a lot more different templates that are specific to what you want to create. So in the design tab, you will be there by default, and here is where you can locate all the templates, but you also have a search bar. So here I can type in what my poster is about. So it's about travel, and I can find the type of poster that best suits me and what I want to create. I think this one's quite cool, so I'm going to go for that one. And then obviously you can make any changes necessary, so you can either put your website in there, or you can remove that completely just by pressing the backspace once you've clicked on it. You can change the font style to whatever you like. If you type your keyword, there may even be some relevant fonts for you there. And you can change obviously this image as well if you want to by going into elements. Let's say it's a city break instead of a beach break. So find the image that you want. I'm happy with this one here. So you can see there's a little page turn up here that's stopping me from accessing this image underneath. So what I'm going to do is just move that out the way for now. Click into the image, press backspace to remove it. And I'm just going to pull this image into here. Happy with that. Put my little page turn up back over here. I can obviously change the background if I want to say a lighter blue or a completely different color. It's totally up to you. I quite liked the dark blue. And then any logos that you have as well, so you can upload them onto the Canva website by pressing uploads, and you can upload a file here, and then it will basically download into the section, and then you can just pull it onto your poster. Alternatively, you can start completely from scratch. So if we go, say, home, we type in poster again, another portrait poster, into a blank poster. And obviously I have a blank page now, and I can do whatever I like to it. So say if we go to elements, type in beach, I can either use these graphic images, or I can go ahead and use a photo. If it's a digital poster, you could even use a video. So let's just say for this example that it is. I'm going to go ahead and use this. You can adjust it to however you like. You can obviously rotate it. You'll see on the right hand side there is giving me the degree angle, which is super helpful, so you can make sure it's straight and in line. Then just make this fit the page. Put some text in there. And then you can make any adjustments to it. We can lift it. I'm going to make it blue. You can make it curved if you want to. Add anything else that you like to, any other graphics, a different image, a background, etc. And then to preview it, as it's a video, we can just go ahead and click this play button at the top, and this is what it looks like. So those are your two options for how to make a travel poster.